Introducing our 100% compatible, laser-measured, perfectly fitting, first-class thermoplastic material floor mats. Compatible with Kenworth T680. Featuring spill protection, snow resistant, and built to withstand all 4 seasons. Dust dirt proof. Protects original truck floor from dirt and debris by keeping it in good condition. Liquid proof. Rubber mats perfectly prevent liquids from spilling onto the floor, which helps keep the truck clean. TPE material. Waterproof. Easy cut. Non-slip. Beam truck core. Drive with style.